Got to Starbucks, but now I'm at work. Yeah! Sit this locker. I'm about to put in my stuff in the locker, so check this out. After this packed, I put it in the locker. Now I'm about to go to my shift. Right now, I'm about to turn on off the computers. I set up the treatment area, such a prep area, at the exam area. So the surgery area at the treated prep area at the x-ray at treated area is open now. Guess what I'm doing? I'm going to disinfect the exam areas for every single emergency patient coming through. And voila, exam areas are open. As you can see, this is my coffee. This is my hoodie. In case it gets cold in here, I got my stuff. I needed to do some homework on my lunch break. So, right now, it's gonna get cold in here. So I'm about to put on my hoodie. And hood is on. I'm about to put on my name tag. See my coffee. Let the good shift begin. Yeah. Now I'm about to go stock up the pharmacy and the exam areas, and then go to treatment area to restock. Now check this out. Restocked and ready to go. Now I'm going to restock the pharmacy drawers with bottles for the prescription stuff. Restocked the vet and the vet techs will take care of the emergency patients. Guess what I did? Stocked those IV care cases at this injection plug box. So, time to put those away. Hey, check this out. I got to refill those switches with xenon flushes for the IV. Now, this is finished. Let me fill it. I'm going to put this away. I had an emergency patient. And guess what? I got to clean that teeth with a... Yeah. Right now, I'm about to go in there. I got to do the naughty because got to do what I have to do to keep the hospital restocked at weather for emergencies. That's what I'm doing. Naughty. Now, the first node is complete. The second one, I'm still waiting for the node to be complete. Guess what I'm doing? I'm going to clean up the cannons outside and inside. Yeah. Listen to that. That is loud. That's what I'm doing. Into a cannon. Disinfect every single case. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, as you can see, I just finished cleaning the indoor cannons. Now I'm going to go outside to clean the cannons. I'm going to go outside and clean up the cannon. Yeah. Check this out. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. It cannons done. Now I'm about to put the hose back up. Yeah, I love a job. Now the hose is put back up. Right now, I just finished my nut and I had my second cup of coffee. Guess what I'm doing now? Buy myself a tour. Yeah. My backpack is on. I'm leaving the locker room like right now. To next shift. Bye.